You're looking at a Vantage Micro Truck Model X1000A. It has a standard transmission with gasoline engine. No power available to read mileage. It's buy or load.
Liquidity Services provides buyers and sellers with the world's most transparent and innovative online marketplaces for surplus assets. We add new inventory weekly with merchandise from government agencies, corporate clients, and commercial businesses. Thank you for visiting Liquidity Services.